dating tips. किसी के पास हैं तो मुझे भी बता दें. I'll be honest, I mean, I haven't really dated. I'm now I'm married, so I don't need to. But also before that, I've been honest about this. I had a small social circle, so I don't have any dating tips, guys. Sorry. I did make, actually, fun fact, मैंने 5-6-7 साल पहले एक टिंडर अकाउंट बनाया था लाहौर में, just for fun, to like scroll through क्या है, and half the accounts were of people I knew and the other half were of people in India. So that did not work out either. Advice on how to overcome depression. I've said this before and I'll say this again. Depression is a disease, so you can't take advice and overcome depression. It's like someone saying अगर मुझे कैंसर और मेरी दोस्त मुझे पेप टॉक देगी तो मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगी. No, your brain is an organ like all other organs. If you have depression, please see a professional who can, you know, help you. Qualified है आपको बताने के लिए कि आपने कैसे वो depression को overcome करना है. If you're having a bad day, that's a different thing, but having depression as a disease is a completely different ball game, and that's not something you should take lightly, and that's definitely not something कि वो किसी तावीज़ से या किसी की एडवाइस से ठीक हो जाएगी. You need professional help. Living far from family, alone with husband and pregnant, unable to do house chores. It's really difficult because one of my biggest fears is, you know, being unwell here and still having to manage things on my own. But the thing is that ये सब चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. If your house is not clean, it's okay. If you're not able to make the best meals, it's okay. If you're not able to, you know, कपड़े नहीं धुल रहे, इस्त्री नहीं हो रहे, it's fine. Look after yourself, your mental and physical health first, and if possible, do hire help. Hire someone to come in 1 hour a week, 2 hours a week, to just help you with little tasks. If you can't afford that, ask a friend or someone in the community if they can come help you for a few hours. Also, of course, I am assuming that your husband is also contributing towards household chores because you are pregnant. If he's not, have a conversation with him and tell him that needs to change because of course you are pregnant. But don't stress over कि, you know, घर गंदा है या ऐसा है वैसा है. No, we are taught कि the sign of a successful woman is a great home. Doesn't always have to be. Okay, I love this one. I want a romantic partner, but at the same time I want to remain independent and work on improving myself. What to do? Just go wherever life takes you. What I mean by that is focus on improving yourself, remain independent, fulfill all your goals, and whenever you're meant to find someone, you will. You don't have to actively go out seeking someone, but at the same time, if you know, a person comes knocking on your door, don't block them out either. So just go with the flow, work on all your goals, work on your professional evolution, और साथ में अगर कोई मिल जाता है, whenever it's meant to be, it will happen. Is it important to go for masters after bachelor's? Not at all. I don't think from a career viewpoint ये बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरी है. इनफैक्ट बिकॉज बहुत सी जॉब बल्कि मुझे लगता है कि आप थोड़ा सा डिसएडवांटेज पे हो जाते हैं क्योंकि आपने वो जो मास्टर्स के लिए 1 या 2 साल technically आप market में नहीं होते, so you don't have that experience that someone else who started right after their bachelor's would have. But I will say this, the kind of exposure that education provides you is also very important, especially higher education, especially living in a different city or a different country. The kind of exposure that brings you is something I really recommend. So it's really about your life goals and what you want from life. How to get back to work after taking break because of kids. Okay, I don't have kids, so I can't give you my own advice, but I will tell you about my mother who did exactly this. उन्होंने almost 10 साल की break ली थी before she went back to work after having kids, and what she started was कि उन्होंने दोबारा से अपनी डिग्री जाके की क्योंकि 10 साल में आपका skill set बहुत पुराना हो जाता है and you kind of become irrelevant for the market. So she did her masters again, and actually she didn't even do her masters, she did some certifications first, then she did her masters, and then she started her job, and I think that's a really good idea as well. If you've taken a very long break, don't limit yourself. सीखे क्या मेरे interests हैं अब के वक्त में और क्या मेरी capabilities हैं अब के वक्त में, उसके हिसाब से कोई डिग्री या certification कर लें. I think that really makes it easier to get back in. And one thing I will say is stop thinking like I'll do it next year, I'll do it next year. Start now. The way that I've seen my mother work, मतलब मैंने बहुत कम लोगों को इतनी डेडिकेशन से काम करते हुए देखा है, बट आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेयर शी इज़ इन लाइफ टुडे बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट मेक एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर हर सेल्फ. शी जस्ट सेड, यू नो व्हाट, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एंड दैट्स इट. And there were days when she was working from 7 in the morning till 7 in the evening, but that's the price you have to pay to be a successful person, and I think if that's what you want from life, then that's what you should do. Okay, this video has become too long और अभी भी बहुत सवाल रहते हैं. Firstly, thank you to everyone who's been sending in their questions. I am so touched that you guys want my advice. I think all of us need advice, and sometimes it's easier to ask a stranger on the internet than to, you know, ask friends or family, and I completely understand that. Secondly, as always, if you don't like the advice, that's okay. If you don't want to follow the advice, that's also okay. Advice is always subjective, you don't have to always agree with me on everything. And finally, if you have any questions or comments, उनको please comment box में छोड़ दें. मेरा गला बिल्कुल मेरा साथ अब नहीं दे रहा, so I think I will end this video now, but I will see you guys very soon. Bye.